Welcome back to our showroom on another beautiful spring day. We got all the snow pretty well melted, and of course, all the sports cars are coming out. Now, just to update you guys, we are so short on inventory. We've got the Raptor sold. We've got the Lotus Evora from one of our latest videos. Yes, already sold. Unfortunately, not gonna be driving that car this summer. The Ferrari, just getting it charged up for the customer. That is getting picked up sometime this week. We'll hopefully be able to do a video with him. Got the Ram over there sold. The Audi Allroad sold. We had another Audi here sold. But today, we are putting the sold sign on this. Yes, you guys have already seen the title of the video, so, or maybe you have, maybe you haven't. The 1993 Toyota Supra SEMA edition is going to a new home. So we're gonna climb on board, and this is, I gotta say, this is quite a tight hugging seat. I'm gonna climb in here. We're gonna start this car up, get the air suspension raised, and just run it through our shop one more time before it gets sent off to its new owner. All right, that's just the air suspension kicking in. I think it's got to fill that up to about 145 or so, and then those pumps go off. I'm going to take the e-brake off, and of course the car is fully aired out, so let's lift it up so we can pull it out of the showroom. So just pulling the Supra out now. I'm gonna just run it through our shop one more time before we send it off to our customer. And I gotta say, it is weird driving a right-hand drive car because I naturally go to get in on the left side, so it's very strange, I gotta say. But I'm doing it. Of course, the shifter and everything's reversed, so it's quite the difference. Got the alien green G63 out front. All right, here is the 93 Supra. Just having a quick once over in our shop, just making sure everything's all up to snuff on fluid levels and there's no leaks or anything like that. Obviously, you guys know this car's been in our showroom for a while, so just want to give it a quick once over. Make sure everything's all good before we send this off to our customer. And we will essentially show you guys it getting loaded in the truck and heading off. Maybe to see it again, maybe not. You never know with a car like this. All right, and while the Supra is in the shop, we've also got the F430, which has been sold for a number of months now, and our customer is planning on picking this thing up very soon. So we've had it on charge, just getting it ready for him. And we're gonna pull this cover off and start this thing up. I'm just gonna leave that on the hood for now. And of course, same thing, we're gonna run this thing through our shop quickly. It's been sat here since I think December, early January, just to ensure, again, no issues, nothing's arised while it's been sat here. So let's carefully climb on board. And let's take this off. Okay. Got your nice red Ferrari key. Put that in. Looks like we got lots of power. Fires right up. All right, I'm gonna unplug the charger and we'll move this thing around. out of the showroom, off to Vancouver, last drive, getting loaded by James from Turbo J. And we'll get some shots loading into his trailer, and this one's gonna be off to Vancouver. All right, and loaded up is our 1993 Toyota Supra SEMA car. Finally gone, off, delivered to Vancouver, to a new owner, and maybe we'll see this car again. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you guys on the next one.